before we were talking about the video industry. We were talking about these tools like Lovable, Make, Replit, the assistants like Claude, Claude Code, Anti-Gravity, Kiro, Kilo, you name it, there's a tool for it, right? But I saw a thing about hitting the mainstream. So we're going to jump into that. Let me see, let's go to here. Let's jump into this. AI coding enters the mainstream.
For today's Tech Check, Deirdre Bosa has been experimenting with the tools herself, and she's got plenty to show for it. Hey, Dee.
Hey, Mike. So 30 minutes on Claude Code, it immediately put the software sell-off in context. This is truly a ChatGPT-like inflection moment for AI, and the market is starting to hedge for it. So with just a few prompts, I was able to create something that I've always wanted reporting on the markets. So I started simply with this: make a prototype that demonstrates something called an evade-o-meter. It's an analysis tool designed to automate a gut check. So it ingests raw earnings call transcripts to quantify how direct or evasive an executive is being. This is what I got: an actual interactive dashboard ranking.
This is why engineers, developers, tech people, they are terrified of AI. Because while AI might not write the best code, right? It puts prototypes, working prototypes, if you connect AI to it, in the hands of people in seconds. So this lady, I don't really know if she's like how much in the tech space that she is. But apparently she's in the financial markets. And a quick little prompt. She has a full dashboard already. She has a full dashboard already. But what I say though is the people who are in the tech space, if little old her is able to do that so quickly, imagine what you could do and how fast you can do it. I've been in tech forever. And you've seen what we've done over here. Like I mentioned earlier, for the Patreon members at techcoachroute.dev, we are implementing you getting access to Resume Flow, free access on Resume Flow based on your Patreon membership. The same is going to happen, and we are actively testing this. The same is going to happen for the coaching portal, where you can have your track your health stuff, you can track your goals, you can do your daily goals, weekly goals, all that type of stuff. Make it gamifying it. How long would it take to build something like that? Because that is a SaaS semi-enterprise tool built by one person. You see what she just did? Right in your face, she showed you the prompt. She told you her prompt. And then now we're about to see what it created for her.
The last Mag 7 earnings calls on evasiveness based on hedge words, deflections, and other quantifiers. Now, Meta, Zuckerberg, they got the highest score, meaning the most evasive, Microsoft, the lowest, meaning the least evasive. So this was truly a wow moment for me, and potentially just as or more useful than a professional market terminal. Now, Claude Cowork is only available with a Claude Max subscription.
And I'll tell you this, well, something that maybe she knows, maybe she doesn't know, that might have been sample data, dummy data, to like show the dashboard. I don't know if that's actually accurate or not, but the fact that she has that dashboard and she said it's a lot easier to navigate than some other tools, that is wild.
And that's $100 a month, but there's other platforms like Replit that offer something similar for free, and now it has the ability to push apps straight to the App Store. A source tells me that it's nearing a new funding round that would triple its valuation to $9 billion. Now, in a nutshell.
And Google also partnered up with Replit as well. So keep that in mind.
Guys, that is what is scaring the software trade. The cost of building custom software, it just collapsed. The question for investors now is which companies are systems of record that stay sticky and which ones we're charging for a convenience that is now being disrupted by these tools. One more example for you guys, something that I spun up this morning on Replit. This is the market jukebox right here. It is a real-time dashboard that turns the S&P 500 into a dynamic playlist. I know Carl would appreciate this too. It was literally one prompt. So as the markets, they trade sideways this morning, the vibe is chill, and so it's playing yacht rock. Sarah, I was gonna make it Taylor Swift coded for you, but I ran out of credits, so I owe you that. But it brings up another key point. This requires just an enormous amount of compute, which may be the bull case for the AI infrastructure build out.
If this is a Christopher Cross singing sailing market, I mean, the VIX should be at 5 right now, okay? But I do understand it's been flat, it's been very calm, it's been gentle. That's great.
I want the Taylor version, please. Can you do that for us?
I'll get that
Market's
to you.
got to get some higher energy or more emotion, I think.
But is the bottom line, Deirdre, this is what the software companies do, and this is what Ben and others have been saying, why they've been selling off, because it takes the cost down?
Absolutely. It basically collapses the cost. So there's something among the folks that I talked to that is really key, and that is like which software companies seen, and I've heard Workday and Salesforce, the ones that have sort of been targeted in this, they do have important systems of record, so they can't be as easily displaced. But someone recently told me, a Zendesk, maybe that's just a nice to have, and that is more, capable of being disrupted. But it just shows you, I mean, what I've been doing now is sort of like, that's what I'm doing. I have zero coding or technical experience, and I was able to whip up a number of apps in the past.
What did I tell you? She has no experience, and she's able to get these two little dashboards. Now, are they enterprise dashboards that's going to make a major difference? Like you're going to make a lot of money off of it? No. But she was able to do self-service, get something spinned up for her in just a few minutes. And now, like I said, she might not even know that it's not, it's 9 times out of 10, it is dummy data. It's not real. I don't think that they would necessarily be connected already because you probably need to be able to source the data. But the fact that she's able to no technical background, just a financial person, and probably like investigates looks at the tech companies from a financial point of view. But here's what I'm going to say to combat what she's saying. Like you still need enterprise software. Now companies are trying to push their engineers to use these tools so that they can go faster and deliver quicker, more efficiently. You still need to do code review and stuff like that, but to go faster. And how else can we integrate AI into our workflows? So not only using AI to help code faster and get more stuff out there, but how can we use AI in our analysis, in our anything, like maybe creating test cases? Like like everything that I do, I'm actively saying, okay, is there a way that we can use AI to make this better, more efficient, to make it cleaner, to make it more understandable? So that is where we're at. That is where we're at.
Last few weeks, so did our Tech Check producer Jasmine. Someone who can actually code can do far more, and even all be able to do more a week from now, because these tools are only going to get better. This is the
I didn't watch this. What did I just say about 5 minutes ago? If someone like her who doesn't have a technical background can get that whipped up in just a few minutes with one prompt, imagine what we could do. And that's why I still encourage you. Learn Python, learn web development. My web development skills helped me immensely with the whole Lovable and stuff like that. Understanding the CSS, understanding React and all that type of stuff. Understanding code. Knowing how, like on Wednesday, my video is going to be about troubleshooting and debugging. How that's one of the most important skills that we can have in the tech space. Figuring out problems, knowing how to break down problems. Software development is no different like when you have your car won't start and they have to diagnose the car. Very, very important.
Worst that they're going to be right now. So you can imagine 5 years from now, are you going to be able to vibe code even more important software applications? I mean, the obvious answer seems yes, and I think that's what's pressuring software stocks.
Dee, for the first app that you mentioned where it characterized the language in conference calls, somebody owns the transcripts or collated the transcripts. I mean, I'm wondering if you were to make that app and try and sell it, do you have the right to everything that's gone into that based on your subscription to the cloud, the Anthropic product?
Great question. So I started with this, and of course, in my mind, I was like, okay, I'm just going to upload transcripts from the last Meg 7 earnings call. I posted it onto X, and someone wrote to me, you know that you can just create an API that will basically scrape the web and get all the transcripts in the S&P 500. And I thought,
the way she said, you know, someone said you can just create an API that'll scrape it. She sounded so uncomfortable saying that. Like, API? What's an API? Scrape? Doesn't that hurt? That's how she sounded to me saying it. Because she sounded so nervous saying about the whole API part.
oh, wow, that's a really good idea. So I can actually improve it. Copyright-wise, I'm not so sure about this. Even with the market jukebox that I created with you guys, it asked me if I wanted to connect my Spotify account so that I could play the actual songs. I don't know how that will go over. So there's still lots of questions. But as I said, these are all going to be sorted out in the weeks and months and years ahead.
Yeah, the copyright issue is still a whole can of worms. Thank you, Deirdre.
So I can answer the question about the copyright part. If you are playing other people's music on your, well, just thinking, if you connect your Spotify, no, I don't know about like connecting your Spotify to play music on your, because Spotify has an embed. As long as you're not playing it on like a YouTube or a, X or whatever platform, right? Then you should be able to play it on your app as long as the credit is going to Spotify or whatever, I would suppose. But the whole copyright thing, it just depends where you get the data from. If you have permission to get the data, you're good to go. But because there's a company that I believe Google is suing them. I think it's called Surf or something like that. Google is suing them because they were scraping Google's data, and Google said that's a no-no, that's a violation. So just got to be careful with all that. Anyways.
They think the machine never break. Sometimes the battery hit red. I ain't stopping, I'm just rebooting. Why the bounce back? Go! Eyes heavy like I'm lifting weight with my eyelid. Brain foggy, feeling like I'm stranded on an island. Coffee pot empty and the energy is silent. Fighting with the demons in my head, getting violent. Staring at the screen, but the progress isn't moving. Spinning on the wheels, tell me what am I proving? Body aching, back breaking, losing all the grooving. Every single step feels like I'm just losing. Working 24, but the needle barely nudging. Feel like I'm a hammer, but the wall isn't budging. Burn creepy, yeah, the shadow is a trudging. Doubters on the sideline, yeah, they always judging. Is it worth the stress? Is it worth the hypertension? Did I make the turn? Did I lose the dimension? Need a little break, need a little intervention before I crash out and I lose the retention. When I'm feeling fried, sucker to your sizzling. Vision getting blurry and the rain start drizzling. Hustle feeling heavy, motor vision and fizzling. Waiting for the steak, but I don't hear the sizzling. But I can't quit, now I came to the flag. Even when I'm dragging and I'm feeling like a rag. Got too many gold packed inside the bag. Gotta push through even when I hit the lag. Just need a minute, just need to close the blinds. Disconnect the server, disconnect the lines. Lay the head down, let the body unwind. So I can wake up and get back on the grind. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Told her high for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My job is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. They sit in the stands with a popcorn ready. Praying that my knees buckle, hoping I ain't steady. Wanna see the downfall, wanna see it messy. Wanna see me crash like a stolen Chevy. I see the side, I hear the whispers in the dark. Waiting for the flame to extinguish the spark. They wanna see the dog loot a bite in the bark. But I'm a gray white swimming like a shark. If I quit now, man, I win the whole game. If I slow down, they gon' tarnish the name. Gotta feed the fire, gotta feed the flame. Satisfaction that they seek is a damn shame. I ain't gon' give it to them, never gon' fold. Story of my fair is a story never told. My desire to win is worth my goal. Bigger than the hate that they tryna hold. So I take a rest, yeah, I hit the pillow hard. Reboot the system, put the ace front of car. Keep the haters locked out, stand in the yard. While I recharge the battery and lower down the guard. Just for an hour, let the new runs reset. Wake up cleaner than I ever been yet. Ready for the war, ready for the threat. Gonna make them pay every single little debt. They want me to crumble, they want me to crack. But I bounce back like a rubber on the track. Sleep is the weapon, get the mind intact. Then I hit the gas, never looking back. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Close the eyes for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting must be crazy. Thought the burnout meant that I was getting lazy. Vision was blurry, now it ain't hazy. Pushing up Daisy, now I'm pushing Mercedes. Word didn't change, but the mind stay with flip. Got a new Meg and I put in a clip. Haters looking sick, yeah, they starting to trip. Watching me instant while they sinking in the shit. Progress was slow, now I'm moving like speed. Planting whole forest when I planted the seed. Satisfy the want, satisfy the need. Made the competition turn around and bleed. I do it for the win, I don't do it for the likes. Coming up the mountain while you riding on trikes. Heading for the top, yeah, I'm planning the strikes. Running up the score, yeah, I'm racking up strikes. Turning the engine, failure's not an option. Turning every obstacle into adoption of a new method. Yeah, I'm swapping and I'm copying. Only thinking is the records that I'm popping. Burnout was a lie, it was just a little test. Put a head down, got a little bit of rest. Now I'm back stronger, pounding on the chest. Put me to the trial and I asked the question. Yeah, I'm wide awake now. You shouldn't have blinked. I can let them see me lose. My drive is bigger, be a head, be bigger than a hate. Back, better work, 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 better work. Let's get it. 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 Ho get it. Ho get it. Ho get it.